everybody. Welcome to the hottest thing this summer. Ito ang MU Live.
And of course, kami yung mga magigiting na co-host. Ako si G. Canlas.
And ako naman si Martin Concho.
Ayan, so this is the first time that we actually spent a break mo to Friday night na tayong dalawa lang. Yan.
Usually kasi kami ni Tuti nag-bromance kami.
Oo, kami naman ni Yeng and
girly bonding.
Girly bonding kami, ayan.
Alright, so mga ka-MU, we've got a great show for you guys tonight. Sino ba ang guest natin?
Oh, you know, it's about this loverly guy who got his heart broken. And in that sense, ang dami niya tuloy na sulat na mga heartbroken songs.
Talagang miserable ng taong to.
Yeah, and he goes by the name Les Miserables.
Alright, we'd also like to thank, syempre, nandito tayo ngayon sa 360 Restaurant Bar, located at Antel Lifestyle City, A-Venue Mall, Makati, corner General Luna Street, Makati, Metro Manila. Makati Ave, yun. So, A-Venue.
May guilt ako konti lang.
Bakit?
Kasi naglabas sila ng munchies, yung chicharon nila na... I finished 2 plates.
Tako mo talaga.
Hindi kasi yung plate, ganyan siya guys. Ganito malaki yung plato, nakadalawa ako. Ayun, anyways, ba't ko mabino ko yung sarili ko? Okay, fine. The top downloader pala for the week. Let us not forget that. Alright, go!
Alright, top downloader of the week, mga ka-MU. You can win Zalvaje Eyewear, Papa J Switches and Wings, 500 worth of GC, 300 pesos load, and gift certificate worth 300 pesos dito sa 360 Restaurant Bar in A-Venue.
Yes, get yourself that chicharon I'm talking about. And that's may sinasabi si Jai na meron doon tayo surprise artist.
My playlist for my playlist. So check it out, guys.
But before anything else, we will not delay this any further for you because...
Let's give it up, mga ka-MU. First performance, Les Miserables.
Yeah!
You wanna stay with me in the morning. You only hold me when I sleep. Well, I was meant to thread the water, but I've gotten in too deep. For every piece of me that wants you, another piece backs away. Yeah, 'cause you give me something that makes me scared, alright. This could be nothing, but I'm willing to give it a try. Please give me something, well, someday I might know my heart. You've only waited for hours just to spend a little time along with me. Like said, I've never bought you flowers. I can work out what they mean. I never thought I'd have someone that was someone else's dream. Yeah, 'cause you give me something that makes me scared, alright. This could be nothing, but I'm willing to give it a try. Please give me something, but someday I might know my heart. Though it might be second to the words, but I could never say, gonna come out anyway. Yeah. makes me scared, alright. This could be nothing willing to give it a try. Please give me something, 'cause you give me something that makes me scared, alright. This could be nothing, but I'm willing to give it a try. Please give me something, someday I might know my heart. Know my heart, know my heart, know my heart.
Alright, grabe sa mga ka-MU. That was Les Miserables' first song dito sa MU Live. He's gonna be playing 2 more songs for you guys, so talagang just stay with us.
Yes.
Alright, anyway, gusto natin paalala ang ating social networking sites.
I love how formal you sound. Social networking site. Okay, ang ating Facebook. Okay,
Yes.
Artist Facebook. If you want to add, share, link, like to all of your friends, please do that. It's facebook.com/MULiveShow. Our Twitter is on. It's twitter.com/MULiveTV. I'm on at GCanlas. Follow me and you are.
I'm at twitter.com/conmartist, CONMARTIST. So yun, speaking of our social networking sites,
Mag-greet naman tayo?
Yes, let's greet some fans. So we'd like to say hi to Ian Tan. And ito, may magandang comment. Napakaganda
Saan
talaga from Princess Serafina Lavinia Claudette Capture.
Oh,
Sabi niya,
haba.
the best hosts, PDG. Grabe!
Woo!
Thank you ka naman kay Princess.
Thank you, Princess! Ay, ito.
Oh.
Sabi naman ni, the best smile, Martin Corbs. Fail! Ano ito si Martin? Okay. Wala ka masabi, no?
Wala akong masabi.
Okay. So, sa mga gustong maging break mo to, dapat may segue ko doon.
Oo, nakita ko.
Okay. Sa mga gustong maging break mo to artist, kunwari, naingit kayo kay Les Miserables and you have talents of your own to feature. Alright, all you have to do is send your demo sa MULiveTV@gmail.com.
Alright, so mga ka-MU, we've got so much more in store for you guys. Pero bagong lahat, panoorin niyo muna to, Surprise, my playlist from a surprise artist.
And
Watch this.
surprise!
To start, yeah, you know what it is.
Hi mga ka-MU, i-share ko sa inyo mga top 3 songs in my playlist. Number 3, Black and Yellow.
That's done. Here up in my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Got a call from my jeweler, this just in.
Number 2, Teach Me How to Doogie.
You can't find that in Atlanta. I hit her with that flex till she get impressed. You heard what I said, hit her with a text, then she know what's next. I teach her how to deck it, teach her how to swag. I ain't talking about that swag that come in a plastic bag. Oh no, this ain't no with commercial, this does not come with a tag.
And number 1, Catch My Love.
And now I'm falling back to me. Inaano ka pa ba?
Maging ka-MU tulad ko. This is Gerald Anderson. Keep watching MU Live.
Marikit, tunay kang nakakaakit kapag ika'y ngumingiti. Ako'y nabibighani sa taglay mo ganda. Wala nang higit pa. Wala nang iba, ikaw lang talaga. bilugan, singkit pa ang forma, kitang dating talaga. Di kita binobola, tuwing nasisilayan ka. Mga ngiti ay abot langit na, naman ng puso at isipan ko. Mukhang bibig lang ang pangalan mo, Marikit. Tunay kang nakakaakit kapag ika'y ngumingiti. Ako'y nabibighani sa taglay mong ganda. Wala nang hihigit pa, wala nang iba. Ikaw lang talaga. Marikit. Ako'y nananabik na mayakap kang muli, Marikit. Ikaw ba'y nakikinig? Tunghandog ko sa iyong awitin, di na kailangan pa umanap ng iba. Pagkat nandito ka na, ayoko nang maglibot pa. Gusto kitang agad ngayon at magpakailan pa man. Sinisinta at iniiyog ka, pati si lolo ko'y sinisipulan ka, Marikit. Tunay kang nakakaakit, ako'y napapraning. Ako'y nabibighani sa taglay mong ganda. Wala nang hihigit pa, wala nang iba. Ikaw lang talaga.
Ayan!
Alright.
Wow!
Grabe.
Okay. Naku, napaka-soothing ng boses mo, ah.
Thank you.
As in, nag-i-enjoy ka tapos nagbe-bring ka na dun sa...
Nakita nga kita kanina, sobra ka nag-i-enjoy. Anyway, alright, mga Kemi, we'd like to welcome Les Miserables to MU Live.
Ayan.
Evening, everyone.
Dude, first things first, no? Yun nga, parang we're very curious as to the name, yung Les Miserables. Parang,
Bakit yun?
yes.
Kasi I had an experience before. There's a lot of musician friends who've been asking kung ako ba yung Lay Bautista. I was only using Lay, my first name.
Okay.
And then I have to think of something na would really define my music and my personality. And then when I watched the movie Les Miserables, so I haven't checked out the play. So a song about heartbreak, repentance, and everything. So most of my songs talks about repentance, heartbreaks, ganyan,
So,
miserable. Yeah.
Kasi alam mo yun, is it safe to say that you've had your fair share?
May pinaghuhugutan
may
ka ba, pare?
pinaghuhugutan.
Maraming pinagugutan ko.
Ayun. Maraming material.
Diba, Martin?
Sino Martin? Ako, si Martin.
Sinong Martin ang heartbroken dito?
Ay, grabe. Anyway, so let's backtrack a bit.
Change topic.
Let's talk about your background. Have you been playing the guitar and singing since you were young? Or how did you start?
I started around siguro mga 11 years old. Nagsimula lang sa inggit eh. Hip-hop ako dati. So,
Hip-hop?
sayo-sayo. Oh, promise.
As in,
di nga.
talagang wiki-wiki.
Gusto ko lang sumayaw. Though, when I remember when I was a kid, I used to listen to Gary V songs. Kaya, fan ako ni Gary V.
So when did you start? Siguro, sige, nag-hip-hop ka. Meron ka ba mga inidolo before na nakapag-switch sa'yo in terms of another musical path?
Marami, but to start off nung high school, alternative, banda, syempre, ingit ka sa mga marami nagigitara, gano'n. Then eventually, sometime 7 years ago, lumabas yung mga acoustic, sila Jimmy Bondok, sila Paolo, di ba? So I was inspired kasi I've been playing high school songs na mga acoustic lang. Then it's possible, kaya kong gawin yun. Sige, subukan ko. From then on,
as time goes by, doon na lang ako nag-evolve. I wasn't expecting talaga maging solo artist ako. Gusto ko lang maging gitarista. I also played the percussions for a while.
Galing
Wow,
ah.
Talagang well-rounded.
Oo. Kasi nag-hip-hop na siya, nagsa-songwriting pa,
Percussions pa.
Percussion.
Nalok na lahat.
Guitar.
Percussion.
Para ba akong tindahan?
Okay. And so now, saan naman, what's a busy week like for you?
Normally on a Monday nights, I'm playing at Aruba Bar and Restaurant and Metro Walk. And then every Thursdays at El Terrazzo Mall, 7 p.m. with Chloe. And then last night, I played at Last Home with DJ Tina Ryan, my good friend. Hi, DJ Tina.
Okay. DJ Tina,
And on
yeah.
May 14 at Westgate, Alabang.
Alam mo, meron ako curious kasi papaplug natin in a while sa'yo lahat ng mga kailangan mo i-plug, you know how to reach you. Pero ito, gusto ko matanong. So you're all about, heartbreak and all that. Pero ito, nakanta mo na ba yung kanta mo na nanonood yung girl?
Ay, meron. Maraming beses.
As in, pinatamaan mo, like you broke my
Dinedicate mo
heart.
talaga? Or?
Ay, oo, sobra. There was this one time, my first ex-girlfriend, I had the gig at Baga Verde. And she was with the new boyfriend.
Wow. Intense yan, pare.
And
ano
hindi
nangyari?
lang, well, ito mas intense, bro.
Pero hindi ka umiyak. On the inside, yeah.
Outside, as in, very, very, very vulgar, whatever you call it.
Okay.
Tama ba yung term ko? Nagkikising-sing sila sa harap ko. As in, L to L.
Okay,
You get
okay,
that?
sige.
So I don't want to use that term.
So you were crying on the inside.
So wala akong magawa. So that's a thing.
Wow.
One of the most miserable moments of my life.
So talagang you really use your experiences and heartbreak to channel yung process mo of songwriting and performing.
Yes.
Yun. Ano yun? Umiiyak ka pag nagsusulat ka?
Hindi naman. Actually, just started out writing nung about 4 years ago lang.
Ano yung first experience that led you to write your first song?
Heartbroken,
Heartbroken.
definitely. I was with this ex-girlfriend of mine. I was supposed to ask her for engagement when she comes back the year after. Then, yun.
This is too intense.
Ay,
Yeah, it
hindi.
is.
Actually, it's very real. Kasi lahat naman ng tao na heartbroken na. And it's nice to see and hear an artist na nag-channel ng ways for them to relate to the songs. Yeah. And speaking of songs, I know that you have another song for us. Pero
Before anything
that,
else,
yeah.
maybe you'd like to promote, you have Facebook or Twitter
Yeah.
games?
If you
Or...
wanna follow me, my everyday life, I have a Twitter account. It's LEI_Miserable. And if you wanna check out my gig updates, I'll be at Facebook, my official fan page, Les Miserable. And of course, if you wanna hear some of my songs, I have a channel on YouTube. It's 711 Marshmallows. Or you can check out reverbnation.com/lay.miserable.
Ayun. Okay, you know what? Gusto kong makarinig ng isa pang round ni Les Miserable. Ano, patatagalin ba natin? Di na.
Alright, mga ka-MU, let's give it up for
Les
Les
Miserable!
Miserable!
Woo!
This song is all about heartbreaks and para sa mga niloko at lolokohin pa na nangyari sa